There's the goals for you. The first one from Team India. Penalty. And a composed Gurkirat Singh. Very powerful strike there to the back of the net. More like a chip. If you think of it, the way he smashes the balls. Now that one from Bangladesh set the match up completely. Great accuracy and superb power behind that ball to find the bottom corner like that. And then Bangladesh coming in the second half and scoring yet another goal. This time, the busiest player in the ground, Rafiqul, passing it ahead. And Shaheen Mia smashing it to the back of the net. And then this was the spectacular. Everybody was waiting for this one. The Gurkirat Singh tries to find someone in the middle. He finds him. Great passing. Could be a chance for Team India. It is! It certainly is! Wow! Mr. Himanshu Jangra. Back to Himanshu Jangra now. Looks for Gurkirat Singh. Gurkirat Singh with the ball. Has he found the bottom corner? Yes, he has! And the t-shirts come off. Back to Himanshu Jangra now. Looks for Gurkirat Singh. Gurkirat Singh with the ball. Has he found the bottom corner? Yes, he has! And the t-shirts come off. Ball still with India right now. And a shot has been fired! Oh my God! What just happened? The roof of Kalinga Stadium has been brought down. That's what happened. That is a spectacle, ladies and gentlemen. Thoroughly enjoying this inside the ground. Fourth goal for Gurkirat Singh, and all the men down on the ground from Bangladesh. Surely now India 5-2. Just with authority that time. On the dais, they would please. That visual would please one and all. The Team Indian fans. The visuals coming right on your screens would definitely make you feel proud. There we go. There's the fireworks as well.